We are at the Aria. Now this is the first time we've ever stayed here, so we're really excited. And this was actually a M-Life, we've talked about it before, an M-Life rewards comp room. Now, with the comp rooms on M-Life, you're still responsible for resort fees and taxes associated with that. But this year, the resort fee was $45. Normally, these rooms are anywhere from $150, $300 plus. So being that this is our last night in Vegas, we wanted to splurge a little bit and pay the resort fee and taxes associated and stay at Aria for the first time. So right in the entryway, you can see it's a pretty big area that you walk in. They have a little swag bag over here, little Aria kit, looks like mask and sanitizing wipes and that kind of stuff. Just your basic information there about safety and cleanliness. Nice big closets. There's two closets. This one has my suitcase and stuff, so you don't want to see that. It's the same size, but you do get two nice robes, which is pretty cool. I'm really excited about the bathroom. My wife always teases me because of the attention that I pay to the bathrooms, but I really like to be comfortable when I'm using the bathroom. So really love that this has double sinks, has a separate room with the toilet, which is pretty nice. A telephone if you need to call room service. That's pretty nice there. And my wife is gonna love this. Look at that tub. Wait a second. I didn't even notice this. I thought it was just a tub with a separate seating area. This is really cool. I like this. Some of you out there might be the type of people that get grossed out by taking a tubby in a hotel room, but you know what? With some of the higher end properties like Caesars, Aria, Cosmo, they have really nice bathrooms, and we always take a tub. Let's check out the room. Pretty big for just a standard king, non-smoking. Now, mind you, this is a basic room at Aria. I can't imagine what the higher end ones look like. We're not at that level yet, so we'll stick with the standard freebies here at Aria. And this is a free room, but you know what? This is pretty nice. Let's check out this view. Okay, so we have a view of the lobby area here with that awesome art installation there with the kayaks. We've seen that one before. There's the pool at the Vdara. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Well, we can't complain. Let us know your thoughts. If there are any properties that you guys want to check out, comment below, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the other side.